attacking with a 4-3-3 formation. Off we go then. Let's hope for some goals then today. Now Wilson. Iniesta. You've lost possession. Now we'll run through the control. Use the B button to pressure the ball. Use the A button. Use the C button to change the active player. Let's get back to the action. Now Wilson. Defender regains possession. And now they'll try and break. He shoots. Oh, it's hit the post. And he stayed onside. Now Wilson. Oh, there's an opening here. Easy for the goalkeeper there. Launched upfield by the keeper. Now Wilson. Moving down the flanks here. It's with the striker. Referee rules play back for an offside.